Hi everyone, my name is Simone. I'm the mom of an amazing person, Chef Jeremiah. And today I came up with this amazing idea to do the Mom CIA Bootcamp, All Roads Lead to Independence. This is such an exciting time for Jeremiah to be embarking upon the next chapter of his life, and we wanted to just share with you a few things that we're doing to get him prepared for his journey. Check this out.
Wow, it's so hard to believe that the time has finally come. Jeremiah is headed to the Culinary Institute of America. I am so happy though, that we got that checklist. It really came in handy. I just pray that we haven't forgotten anything. There's so many things that you probably won't get to see in this video that we've purchased, so that Jeremiah can be prepared, have everything he needs, and we keep it moving. Wow. Jeremiah has learned and mastered the art of washing his clothes, separating the whites from the color clothes. Although, honestly, I'm ashamed to admit, I wasn't sure what to do with the grays and the tans, because I always thought that you could kind of wash the tans and the grays with the whites. But anyway, he's going to stick to washing the whites. He knows the temperature. He's measured how much detergent to put in the clothes. Jeremiah used to be so afraid to use the stove. He always had to have someone there, with him. And, baking is a little bit different because, when you bake, you set the temperature, you may have a timer set, you put it in the oven, and you bake it. But using the top of the stove was a fear, and we had to conquer that fear. And I say we, because guess what? We're in this together. Jeremiah and I are thick as thieves. What affects him affects me. He's had the pleasure and privilege of working with some amazing chefs over the span of a year or so, and they have taught him a few techniques. So I'm really happy that Jeremiah is doing some of his favorite savory dishes, because during the week, he may visit the famous egg, but on the weekends, it'll be great for him to know how to make eggs, pancakes, know how to make a homemade pizza, which, by the way, the eggs were delicious, the pizza was delicious, and also incorporating a healthy option, which is the spinach, which already know is amazing. Ironing, I'm not a fan of ironing. I gotta tell you, I would rather put my stuff in the cleaners than iron, but we had to show him how to iron. Although Jeremiah will have the option of putting his chef uniforms, I think a total of 6, in the cleaners. But again, on the weekends, when he's not required to wear a uniform and he wants to iron his jeans, he did that. I gotta honestly tell you that you're never too old or too young to practice. I'm so proud of him for allowing me to be a part of the process. The transition is a big one. I've never been separated from Jeremiah, and although I believe that this is going to catapult him into manhood and independence, that's still my baby, and I want to set him up for success. And you're never, like I said, too old or young. The younger kids can have chores and they can know how to do things to foster independence, because I wholeheartedly believe that practice makes perfect.